Hello everyone, my name is Sever from Wirestream, and today I got an unbox here of a digital watchdog. This is the Blackjack DX server, and we call it a server because it's not a regular DVR or NVR, so this is a full-on computer. This particular one is a Windows computer running an i5 processor, and it has 32 gigs storage of hard drive space. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox it so that way you guys can see what comes inside the box. This server will support at around 64 cameras. Very reliable DW. It's one of the best companies that I like to work with when it comes to security cameras. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of the specs right here. Hopefully you guys will be able to see it. But again, this is the BJDX5132T with right here at the end, you will see that it shows the 32 terabytes hard drive. From the box, this is it. This is all that we get on the box. So let me go ahead and open it for you guys so that way you guys can see what comes inside of it. Now, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and start by turning the box. And this does not have any tape surrounding the box. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just basically gonna start taking it out like this. Inside here, we're gonna get the keyboard and the mouse. So we get our power supply, keyboard, and mouse. That's it for this portion right here. We do a lot of the DW servers, so I'm very familiar with what comes inside the box. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and push it out and get rid of the box. Now, before taking in this server on site, what I do, I like to configure it, set up all the usernames, the passwords, and basically get it ready to go. So that way, when I get on site, all I do is plug it in and it will detect all the cameras. Now, let's remove the foam, which I will no longer need, and the foam on the other side. Now, as you can see, this can sit like this on the rack, or it can sit like that on the rack. On the front, you're gonna see that you have your USBs, your power. There's one light that you're gonna be able to see on here. And from the back, we're gonna have our power on this side, and then two Ethernet cables and a USB. And this particular one has also USB-C, our audio, and our HDMI and display port right here. Now, I usually don't have anything connected as far as monitors go, and DW doesn't really recommend connecting any monitors to here because this is meant just to be the server itself. If you want to view the cameras, you have to do it from the phone or a separate computer, so that way you don't take any of the resources from here. Okay, next step is I'm going to show you a little bit of the inside of the computer so you can see how upgradable this may or may not be. I believe the total amount of hard drive space that you can add into this server, it is 40 terabytes. So let's go ahead and get it open. Okay, so now that I have loosened up the screws with the Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to go ahead and get the case removed. Pull it back, and I'm just gonna put this right back there. Now I'm gonna turn it sideways so I can get a closer look of the internals here. Okay, so let's take a look at the internal. So you're gonna see here that it has a 16 terabyte hard drive. This is a Seagate hard drive. This is for recording. This hard drives are meant for recording. There's another one under there. So basically we're able to put two hard drives that sit properly there and secure. Meaning that if we need to add another hard drive, we really don't have the space for it for this particular unit. So I'm assuming that if we get the 40 terabytes, I am sure it'll come with two 20 terabyte hard drives. Same scenario here. On the back here, although you can't really see it, but there is the connection for more hard drives on this side. It seems like the securing the hard drives is not going to be possible. We also got our M2 hard drive right there. In the back right here, we have our two NIC cards. One is a 1 gigabit and the other one's a 2.5, I believe. And we got our fan, i5 underneath there, our power supply, and that's basically it. Since I have this right here, I'll do a close-up from the back. Again, one of them is a 2.5 and the other one's a 1 gigabit Ethernet connection. Right here, you got your display port, HDMI. There are other upgrades that you can do, such as the memory. This particular unit comes with 16 gigs of memory. You can swap those out for maybe 32 gigs of memory, although it's not required for the setup that we're going to be using. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish configuring the server right here, and then I'm going to take it to the site. So I decided to insert this clip right here as I show up on site. Instead of trying to create a whole new video, I just wanted to show you really quick on the location that I was working at, which is just opening up the rack, kind of setting up the computer. This way we're going to start feeding the cameras. So let's do it. Hopefully I'll be able to record a little bit of the installation that we're going to do on the site, and you guys can see a little bit of the cameras. This is for a project where we're installing around 30 security cameras, 5 megapixels from DW, and this is all going to be outdoors with a big location with point-to-point switches and a router. They have some existing infrastructure, but we're going to be cleaning some of that up as well. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thumbs up, subscribe, and don't hesitate to look us up for any other projects as we work with Reolinks, Ubiquiti, TP-Link, the VG products. All right, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.